Step 1, the prompt. So first you need the prompt. This is basically the brain behind your video. I've already prepared one to make things super easy for you, and yeah, the link is in the description. But wait, don't just copy-paste it blindly. Make sure you edit every single word inside the brackets, because that's what makes the video look like you and not some random AI character. Step 2, generate the video. Now for the fun part. You'll want to start by heading over to the Pippit.ai website and logging into your account. Don't worry, the link is already in the description. Once you're inside, go ahead and select the Video Agent menu. From there, choose the model Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Fast. Next, set your video to a 9:16 aspect ratio, since this works best for TikTok or Reels, and adjust the duration to 15 seconds, so it stays short and engaging. After that, upload your photo first. This part is important because the AI needs your image to generate the scene. Once your photo is uploaded, simply paste the prompt that you edited earlier. Then just click Generate and let the AI do its thing for a few minutes. And just like that, your video is ready. In just a few clicks, you've got yourself a celebrity walkout paparazzi video that looks insanely real. Perfect for going viral, flexing on social media, or just having fun. So yeah, next time someone asks when you became famous, just send them your AI paparazzi video and let them figure it out. Try it now before this trend gets saturated. And trust me, you don't want to be late on this one.